How to activate Wells Fargo credit card online. So here is the simplest and fastest, safest ways to activate your Wells Fargo's credit card online. First of all, navigate to your preferred web browser, then in search address bar, type down Wells Fargo credit card activation page, or you can also type down activate Wells Fargo credit card online. Then simply tap on the official site of the Wells Fargo and navigate to it. Now, once in there, you will be asked to sign up or sign on. Simply tap on it and enter your personal information first of all. You will have to enter your Wells Fargo online account information. Then you will have to enter your credit card number, CVV, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN and click confirm to activate your card easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.